So hello guys, we're back again. Yeah, you go ahead. We're back again to Brule Park. The reason I came back here is just to make sure na, kasi the last time is it kind of spoiled my vlog because I think I came early to for the salmon migration. So I'm back again. So it's really cold here right now. I think the 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 temperature is I think 4 degrees, so it's really cold, it's really chilly. So where is it? Did you see any salmon here?
There.
Over there. So yeah, oh, there's a lot of salmon there.
Here also.
Yeah,
See?
yeah, you see, yeah.
Lucky.
So there's a lot of salmon now migrating. So it's about time for them to lay eggs. So what happened is they came back to where they were born, and they were gonna lay eggs there, and they will die. So it's like a cycle of life. So now the next generation of salmon will be what do you call that, will go back to the ocean again, or to the big lakes. So yeah, I'm not disappointed guys, kasi ang dami ng salmon ngayon. Oh look, there's a lot now. So probably I should do close up. As you can see guys, there's a lot of salmon there. So they are kind of disturbing. Look at that, so big, so huge. Yeah, it's time for them to migrate. Oh wow. So there's a dead salmon here, but you see those far, there's a live salmon. There's a lot. Yeah. So I'm not disappointed because now I could see a volume of salmon migrating now. Like what they do is usually swimming to the against the current. I think that's really their natural where they usually go against the current. Look at that, eh? Wow. There's so many. It's amazing. So we're just gonna go there, over there. If you can see, there's some kind of a dam. Usually we will see a lot of the salmon over there. So but right now I could see the fin protruding. I wish you could see it from here. Wow, look at that. Yeah, wow. And they are so huge. That's amazing. I mean, it's worth it coming here. I thought I'm not gonna come here today, but it's worth it. Yeah, look at that. Oh my. Wow, it's amazing. Okay. So guys, ang kagandahan lang, what good about this area is, which is really what I wanna my point is that you don't really have to go to the north, because like if you really wanna witness the salmon migration, you don't have to go far. Like people might go to the north, somewhere north, to witness the salmon migration, but you don't have to go there. I mean, just get off at Old Mill Station. It's still in the in Toronto, and then you just walk a little bit and you're here. And it's amazing to witnessing this event, a fall event here in Brule Park. So this river actually is part of the Humber River. So yeah, so there's a lot of disturbance there on the far side because of the salmon. There's so many salmon right now over there. So yeah, it's so amazing guys. So this is the place, this is the park. Yeah, and we're gonna go there to the dam to witness it. I want to like see the salmon kind of jumping to the, you know, jumping to the second level of that dam, because that's their nature. Yeah. So guys, we still continue walking. Okay, there's a stream there, like a current. You know, we can get close to the salmon there. I wish. Let's see. Let's get off here. I mean, come down, I should say. So here. Oh, see, the salmon is traveling. So that's the one. Hello, Mr. Salmon. Yeah, did you see it, guys? Yeah, look at them, eh? Yeah, you see how they swimming against the current. I don't know what's the science behind it. Why they swim, you know, against the current. It's like their mission in life, you know, to swim on the current, like against the current. I should say against the current. You see? Mm-hmm. Yeah, look at that. Amazing, eh? Yeah. So if you notice, like I don't know if you can see it here from the my action camera, their bodies start to change. Like it's become from black to a little bit lighter. So when it's their skin start to get lighter, it's almost close to their end life. It's almost there to their end life. So yeah, malapit na silang ano, kasi yun ang kanilang ano eh, life cycle eh. They spawn, they lay eggs, they die. So yeah, look at that. Yeah. So guys, malapit na. We're close to the dam. So probably I'm expecting that there's gonna be a lot there, kasi you know, at the entrance already, I mean at the far entrance is already a lot of them, right? We've seen a lot, as I've showed you before, right? So now we're gonna getting close to the dam, so probably there's gonna many of them. Yeah. So we just keep walking. So as you can see, guys, you know, the leaves are starting to change the color, and to be honest with you, it's really freezing right now. You know, as you can see, people are wearing jackets now. Yeah. Wow. See, now we're gonna witness see, I see the disturbance of the water, you know, so we'll see a lot of them here, kasi you know, it will end up, they will be stuck over there, and they kind of congregate there at the bottom of the little falls. Yeah, so yeah. Wow, there's so many. It's amazing. But it seems mas marami pa na doon. So I would expect there's a lot here, like jumping. But it seems I don't see anything. So mas marami ako nakikita doon. Yeah. But we'll check here. Probably we can see from the, I mean, from the top. So wala. So we cannot see any salmon there jumping around. Yeah, but we see over there. So not so much here. Okay. Okay, probably will be go back over there to see it, to observe. Yeah, but for now I don't see any salmon jumping. I mean, try to to go to the next level of this river. So yun sila. Ang dami nila. There's a lot of them over there. Yeah, I wanna go there too. So once the kids leaving, I will go there too to see. Oh, there's so many over there. So we try to step on the stone to the rock. Sa nakakatuwa lang guys, nakalabas yung mga feeds nila. Yeah, so we'll try to close them there, a little bit closer, and probably we can get something. So guys, this one is the try to kind of get close. Yeah, that's the one. Look at that. Yeah. And there's so many there too, like playing around. See? You know guys, you know what, not so many people knows about this place, I think. I mean, in my own opinion, because you know how amazing, like fascinating to see this salmon like this one. It's getting closer, so I'm gonna take you closer with me. There you go. Yeah, so you see how they are so I mean, fascinating to watch them. Look at that, eh? Yeah. Yeah, so it's fascinating to watch them, but like, you know, there's not so much people knows about this. Probably the weekend there's gonna be a lot of people here, but not that much though. Because I went here the last time, the weekend also. There's a lot of people, but not so many. Now where you can see that like people are really nagkakasikipan na, right? But no. So here's the thing. You know, like right now, there's not so much people here, like as you can see around me. But it's really, um, I'm enjoying it right now. I'm enjoying it right now. Yeah. So guys, to update you, I'm still here in Brule, Itian Brule Park, and overall, my expectations kasi, my expectations is to see a lot of, like this time we're talking about the mass migration of salmon, because the last time when I went here, I only saw like 1, 2 salmon, but this time, I cannot ask for more. I mean talagang it's na ano niya, na meet niya yung expectation ko, sobra pa, siksik liglig.